Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you're doing well. Are you ready for another review for you? Again today, a little something different for you. This is the iScooter X11 Folding Mobility Scooter. Straight out the box, let's see how easy it is to get it set up and ready to ride. Inside the box, you've also got the accessories, everything neatly packed and easy to identify. As you'll see, it mostly comes assembled. It's just a case of unfolding the frame, locked into place, nice and securely. Next up, the seat, simple to fit and it feels well padded and comfortable. Adding the armrests is quick and straightforward, giving you that extra bit of comfort and support. The handlebars are fully adjustable too, so you can just set them to the height that suits you. The battery slots in here, nice and simple, no complicated wiring. Once it's in, you're pretty much ready to go. Charging is just as easy, plug it in here and you're good to go. And then of course you've got your key, just insert it here to power everything up. Display screen gives you all the key information at a glance. If it looks flickering on the camera, that's just the camera refresh rate. In real life, it's perfectly clear. Don't forget your horn for safety and a bright LED light at the front, which is great for visibility. Controls are very easy to use as well. Push this lever forward to move ahead and pull this one back for reverse. The wheels feel solid and smooth, giving you confidence whether you're indoors or out. Out and about, the X11 handles really well. The speed dial lets you adjust the pace easily depending on where you are. It's compact, responsive and does exactly what you need it to. It's just as easy to put away as what it is to put up. So guys, overall, the iScooter X11 is quick and easy to set up and easy to ride. It's packed with practical features, perfect if you're looking for something portable and reliable. So guys, if this is something you're looking for, or you know a family member that is looking for something like this, I will leave a link in the description below and you can go ahead, take a look, find some more information out and purchase one if you need one. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.